Never forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. By the time you see this, it will be Monday. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. So yes, it's Sunday today, guys. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Let me show you what I'm working with right now. So yeah, got chicken season up. I'm gonna do some curry chicken today. And got a little peas bubbling. Yeah. Cooking very early. I'm cooking very early today because we are going on the road. We're going to Kingston. We are actually going to film a new development that's been built. I think it's apartments, if I'm not wrong, but yeah, in Kingston. So we're going to be going to video film a new development. So watch out for that. That's be coming. We'll be dropping that soon. And then, you know, once we're in Kingston, we're always going to do a little something while we're in Kingston. So yeah, so we're going to be spending the day in Kingston today. So I'm gonna cook. That's why I'm cooking. Well, I love to cook early on a Sunday anyway. That's just me. But hopefully by 9 o'clock everything's cooked and done, and then we can go and touch the road. So Outlaw is going to go and get some coconut from the tree, so I can put in my rice and peas. Outlaw, where are you? I hear him. All right, let's go find him.
I'm gonna pray on the people. It's done for life. No. Every man need a wife. You know what a good thing going.
Yes, guys, we're going to get the coconut from my rice and peas this morning.
We have something showing.
Dry coconut.
Yeah, we need one from that. Yeah. One for the pot. You have to do it like that, because if you don't do it like that, all of them come off. If you shake it too hard, everything drop off. We don't need that. So we take one and do it in style. So it's the style and style can spoil. You understand? So, yeah. Oh, a thing. Yeah, no problem. So we live good around here. My neighbor have a coconut for me cut for her. So I'm going to do that for her with the forward. That?
So you're huxing coconut.
Yeah, man. I'm showing me for this, you know? Yeah, man.
Your uncle.
Yeah, man.
When you was a child.
Yes, man. Yeah, man, they do things different, man.
Morning.
Welcome, boss. Put on the mark.
You
like coconut maker?
Yeah.
Wow.
ready for rice
I
and
thought
peas?
you was a dry coconut, yeah.
No. We get what? About a week and a half now, my friend gave me this.
True?
You know, me a Kingston and I know the chocolate.
Even worse, I'm a foreigner. No, nothing about it.
Nothing whatsoever.
Nah.
Alright, Gucci. So
But I put it in the pot.
Are you gonna help Gucci? Are you
Gucci.
gonna help with the coconut? Mature now.
You did? What?
Good.
Outlaw's little friend.
Yeah, man, I believe about that.
Okay.
Here we go.
Thank you.
The one that I started. Like, what's up? Gucci not making fun of it. Yes, Gucci. Get it, Gucci, get it!
Got a toy.
Here you go.
Oh, wow. That was quick.
Just pick it right, yeah, you're good. Should I bring a glass? Oh, you can drink it right away, we can cut it for you right away. You get meat. What's up now? know, we go natural with it. No additive, no preservative. So we just get everything going. It's a nice face, man. You can see the sunlight.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the sunlight between the trees.
So, these people off the ship,
Yeah, so
it's a cycle cruise.
Yeah, see them there?
Oh, okay,
So,
yeah.
so this boat is a German boat.
Okay, German ship.
This is the only thing they do when they come to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Ride cycles.
Yeah, the German cruise ships there, they come and do their bike tours.
Yeah, less bus go out there.
Yeah.
Because most of them riding cycles.
Yeah.
There they go, going up further.
And it's always on a Sunday those ships come in, isn't it?
Yeah, the Germans. Yeah, both sides time on Sundays. This is what they do.
Come and so they stop in every different country, come off the ship and come and cycle.
Cycling and thing. So they enjoy doing
So
this
they're in the
thing.
Fern Gully cycling. Yeah, that's their thing, isn't it?
That's the other thing. You don't go anywhere in Jamaica. Yes, man, that's not the time. See that man is Teachers College up at the top there. So, yeah, the children are on board right at that side. We still close on the line.
Oh, so is that where they? So it's a teaching college.
Yeah, Manning Teachers College.
Okay, teachers college.
Yeah, that was the first hotel in Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, that place right there. I learned that in TDP too.
Okay. There's people on Mount Russa now. See those views.
Yeah.
It's a bit cloudy though.
But yeah, man, good old Mount Russa.
Yeah.
See the place green, man? A lot of rain up where I get from the other day. You know, you left off a Mount Russa right now, you are in the region.
We've got to talk about the bread shop. We say this every time we pass.
Crystal Bakery.
The best people,
Yes.
the best bread I've tasted.
Yeah, man. Really
Yeah, the
so.
best bread I've tasted.
Yeah, man. Now people know it are going to say that's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That is reality.
It's Sunday today, so they're closed. But
Yeah.
if it was open, we would have stopped and buy bread.
Of course. Right, to Lindsay, done. Alright, they're going to Lindsay down. We'll take the bypass. You know, no crazy amount of people remember the street line. Yes, back in the day until now. Yes, and the fruits man them all about the place. So them
Jackfruit.
Crazy jackfruit
Always.
and jelly. So that's in season now, jackfruit and jelly.
Yes, guys, can you see where we are? Approaching Flatbridge, going over Flatbridge. So they say when you're driving over Flatbridge, you must take off your seatbelt and wind down your window. So take off your seatbelt and wind down your window. That's what they say. I'm to have a look at this development here. It's called the Cambridge. See some on that side over there, where the blue is, and here as well. Okay, so these are what we're coming to have a look at. Sorry about the trees, but yes, these apartments are what we're coming to have a look at. Could you move down a bit? Yeah. So here we are, the Cambridge. They've got open house today. Cambridge. So these ones here. Guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna video this and then look out for the video of these. Look out for the next video where we'll feature these apartments, alright? Yeah. Alright guys, so we've just finished viewing the Cambridge, which is a new development in Kingston. Watch out for it, we're going to put it on the channel. But all I can say is, boy, real estate in Jamaica, especially in Kingston, woo! People, make sure you got your coins because, yeah, real estate. But the thing is, they're selling, you know, even though they're pricey,